Good morning.
Good morning.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Now we're going on the first adventure that Phyllis has planned. And I have no clue what it is. Sadika. So it should be fun. And it's all misty. I don't know if you can see. Super misty this morning. And cold. It's like the first morning that it's like really cold. But we brought swimsuits, so let's see what we're about to do. We've just seen Bubsy, this dog that we used to love. Bubsy! What are you doing, Bubsy? Wait, Bubsy?
Get him out.
Bubsy?
Mouse.
Bubsy.
Stay left.
Okay, I guess it's not Bubsy.
Wait, but she has the same scar as the
Bubsy! No, she had a scar on her top of her head. And she has... Bubsy? Okay, not Bubsy. Sorry. Not Bubsy, and this dog is not happy. Sorry, Bubsy. Our bike is super old. And we're at this big ass hill. So I'm having to walk up it. And Phyllis took the bike. Okay, made it. Let's do it. Okay, first stop is these hot springs that we've never been to before. Wow. Wow. Okay, so first stop was a success. Thank you, baby. The hot springs was beautiful. It was such a good surprise. Such a good way to start the day. And we spent like 2 hours here, and now we're gonna
Go have some breakfast.
all right, off to the next adventure. We are eating breakfast at our favorite place that we eat all the time, and they have my favorite thing today, which is this vegan fish with like lemongrass and stuff on it. So good. So we're gonna eat and then to the next adventure.
What?
No, to home and then to the next adventure.
No.
I love that this thing is.
We just stopped to get a little Thai tea, which we don't have often because I can't handle caffeine. I get a little crazy, but it's my birthday. And some, I forgot what these are called. Kanom, some little snacks like sticky rice and banana leaf. And we got some rice so that we can go home and make some little seaweed sandwiches. did so good on the bike. I'm so proud of you. You did such a good job all the way out here. I love you. We've made it to this. That says danger flash flood, but ignore that. And I don't know what's about to happen. Villa says we're gonna hike up that. So let's see where we're going. We are out here. Like no service out here. There's just nothing for, I guess we've been going for like 30 minutes. So let's see. Oh,
Okay, let's get y'all across.
wait, hold up. There's also water moving.
Yeah, my life so simple. Yeah, your life so simple. Yeah, I want your life so simple. Yeah, my life so simple. Yeah, my life. I want
I just be holding myself back fully 100%, like, and there's no reason to do so, but your ego or something in you tells you it's not good enough. Just turning that off, not letting it be present, has nothing to do with the self, you know? You have to be present.
so simple. So simple. So simple. So simple. My life so simple. Your life so simple. Your life so simple. My life so simple.
The ego, man. You gotta shut it off. I would doubt myself forever, you know what I mean? I'll be doubting my shit forever. I can't be doing that. There's so much beauty in music, so much happiness. There are so many colors. There's so many frequencies.
Okay, about 2 hours in, and we have finally made it. Woo! It's so beautiful here. I'm out of breath, but the waterfall is up there. We weren't sure for a little while if we were going the right way because it's been some storms and no one's been out here for a while, it looks like. So there was a lot of fallen trees. Whew. But we made it, and it's so beautiful. We had to put the camera away for a little while because it was just getting really treacherous. But here we are. Are you happy?
So heavy.
Let me show you the waterfall. Dun, da, da, da. Wow! Mercy, wow! Wow. Woo! It's my birthday! Phyllis is setting up camp. Okay, time to chill a little bit. Oh my gosh, the view. swim. And it's a little bit cold. I'm not even gonna lie to you. The sky is blue and pretty, but where we're at is like in a little crevice, you know? So it's actually pretty chilly. I think it's gonna be cold, but it's gonna be good. You ready, Scott? Waterfall, and I think it was actually maybe the most beautiful waterfall I've ever been in. Right. Would you say that?
Yeah, maybe not. The one in Laos is like
the one in Laos was really beautiful.
Crazy, but in Thailand for sure.
But yeah, in Thailand this is definitely the best one. It looks beautiful from outside, but being behind it is, wow, so beautiful. And the water felt so good. I'm kind of just like in awe. I don't really know how to feel.
Really refreshing and cold too.
Yeah, so cold. It's, yeah, I don't know, ancestral. And tell them what happened to you.
I guess I got a little excited and just ran straight into the drop, the waterfall, and it was a bit stronger than I expected, so it knocked me on my ass and bruised my poor little leg off. I crawled further forward to get behind it.
Yeah, to crawl out of the eye of the storm. Scary. I would have been way more scared than he was. And he got a pretty bad bruise. Ooh, this just happened, so you know it's gonna get nasty. And what about your arm?
Got my arm a bit too.
Yeah.
My own mistake.
That was really intense. I got really scared because I couldn't see him for a second, and I was like, wow, he just went into like another portal, into another timeline, I don't know. To Narnia. Moosey held it down for us while we were gone, as she always does. Yeah. So we're gonna chill out for a little while, and we actually need to start walking before too much longer so that we don't have to walk in the dark, because we have a habit of doing that. Hiking somewhere really cool and then having to hike the whole thing back in the dark, which is not very safe.
Not fun.
No, not fun. So we are gonna chill out for a little while, listen to some music, and then get going. Oh, and I got stung by something on my finger and on my butt cheek. A really good birthday. Billy's put so much effort into it, and he knows I love surprises. So he really did his best, and I'm so happy and so proud of him and so in love with him and so grateful for him. Yeah, it's been a really good birthday.
Hun sikrer sig en småkage, som hun har ønsket sig jo. Med dejlig småkage og småkage til.
Tak, skat.
Hurra.